Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 56, merge intervals. Given an array of intervals where intervals I is equal to start and the end, merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. So if we have 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18, we're going to merge the first two to make it 1 to 6, and then 8, 10, and then 15, and then 18. So yeah, so basically the algorithm is gonna be that we're gonna be I was wondering if it is, yeah. So basically, first of all, there's gonna be a base condition. uh, if the interval's length, if there is no interval in it, we can just return whatever is whatever intervals is, which can just return that. After that, we have to sort it. That's what I was wondering, that do we need to sort it or not? But we definitely have them sorted first. So we're gonna be sorting all the intervals uh, by looking at the starting and like the start of the interval, which is the first, and the element at the first index. So we're gonna see that if they are not equal, then we're gonna say a minus a of 0 minus b of 0. Otherwise, we're gonna say a of 1 minus b of 1, meaning if they are not equal, we're going to be returning based on the start of the interval. If the start of the interval of the both of the intervals is equal, we're going to be returning based on the end of the interval. Then we're going to start with the initialize prev as the the first interval, and the result, we're going to make the result equals to prev. Actually, yeah, prev as an array. Like basically the result is gonna be the, so initially we have a result which has only one interval, which is prev, which is the first interval. Then we're gonna iterate through all the intervals as current curr. So if the curr of 0, like the starting of that, is less than equal to the previous of 1, basically if the start of this new interval is less than or equal to the ending of the our initialized first interval, end of that, then we're gonna change that. We're gonna make that means it's overlapped. So we're gonna say that okay, previous of 1 is gonna be equal to the whichever is the maximum value between the previous of 1 and the current of 1. Okay, otherwise, if they are not overlap, we're just gonna push the new interval into the result, and the previous is gonna become equal to the current, and in the end we're gonna be returning the result. Let's see if it worked for that. Let's see if it runs for all the test cases, and it did.